Hey guys, this is the Ninja with the Crawlmaster Mini V2 ESC, a Holmes Hobbies Revolver V3, the 1800 kV, the regular size, 3S, 12 to 48 pitch pinion, Vanquish F10 axles, and yeah, just shows how slow it can crawl when you use the right ESC with a revolver, and how much quieter it is, because using a Castle ESC, woof, it would give you a headache. Yeah, you can see the full speed control going down, going up. There you go. And that's a Holmes Hobby V2 Crawlmaster Revolver 1800 kV 3S on a Ninja. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Later.